Welcome. In front of me I have a 5N that's not a 1, wireless charger station with a couple different supported like power delivery, quick charge 3.0, fast charge protocols, whatever. From a company that I have no clue what it is because there is no company name on here, unless the 5N1 at the back is the name of the brand, which would kind of make sense because there is no 5N1. We can't really consider foldable as a function, really, as a charger function. So yeah, anyway. Now they're also counting in LED light that goes around here as one of the charging functions. Okay then. So anyway, let's just get in here. We also have a nice little info, service and support, contact.support@techkeys.com. And I guess that's the name of the brand. I guess I don't blame them for not putting it on the box, at least not in a visible place. Now, we do have a charger. It looks like the most garbage charger you can probably get, made in China, right up here. And this is a... what is this? That's an 18-watt charger. I personally probably wouldn't be using this one. Then we get a cable for plugging it in. Thank you for choosing our product. We hope you enjoyed it. Okay, thanks. We get instruction. We get some Amazon active warranty card. And then we get the actual folded pad right here. So let's just take that out. Let's make space. Get this garbage out of my face. There we go. So in terms of aesthetics, I can't say I'm a big fan of it. Let's grab a cable. World's most underwhelming light. That's with lights off, by the way. Okay, so there we go. Now, let's see the MagSafe functionality, and it does hold it, as you can obviously see. One thing also to keep in mind when it comes onto charging your Apple Watch, it comes with a charger already built into it, unlike some other stations like this, which will have a space where you put the charging puck into. This one just comes with one built already into it. So you don't need to move your charger and plop it in here, route the cable and do all that stuff. This one just works right out the gate, which is actually a nice thing. So obviously phone charging right here. It will also work with other devices, not just Apple. This is technically designed for Apple, as MagSafe is an Apple proprietary charging whatever thingy thing. But any case that has the MagSafe, for instance like the Pixel 8 right here, will be able to charge from it. So just kind of showcase this. Boop. And it's charging. Or not. Oh, there we go. That took a moment. So right now it's charging. You can see it up here. So there we go. So it charges any kind of device. Obviously it supports, like the box says, power delivery and quick charge 3.0. So it should charge most. Now, actually, that being said, it I guess supports, the station supports it. Not exactly sure if this is like Qi charging or whatever else there is, but yeah. Now, one thing to also add right here, we do have a USB port at the back and a Type-C port. And in addition, we have perforations right here, which I assume are done as a ventilation for the Qi charging that is in here, because it does tend to get warm sometimes, depending on what the wattages is being pushed through it. So this would help to dissipate that heat instead of having it completely covered up. So there we go. That's the 5N case. Why isn't it a 1? It still bugs me, come on. In any case, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.